back to masterbuilderjs. Today I got 3 Lego guns. I'm going to and I was inspired to make Lego guns by my different username. He makes great Lego guns from Battlefield and real life. And today we're going to be reviewing this sniper thing, I guess. It actually works on shoot.
Sniper rifle?
Yeah, you can call it if you want. And I'll try to get 10 likes and 500 views.
Okay.
So this sniper can actually work. Let's just take off the support. Here, this is the sniper. There's rubber bands in it. Pause the video if you want to see better.
Oh, wait. Can you turn around? Turn around? Oh, yeah, wait.
There's more rubber bands.
Okay, stay. Put it down a little bit. Okay. Alright. Yeah, tell us.
And how it works is, there's this thing you pull back. And then there's a trigger. Once you pull that trigger, it'll fling like that. And I made this thing where you can take out the bullets off here. These 1x5 technique axles are the bits you need. It's made from the other Lego pistol.
Can you shoot?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Oh! Okay, good.
And
tell us about your gun.
So I think the handle is pretty comfy. Once you put this back on, once you put this at the back of your shoulder, it's nice. And when you hold this, it's very comfortable.
Mhm.
And also, I built a scope for it.
What is a scope?
A scope is what snipers use to look far away, and snipers are actually the people. A sniper rifle is a gun.
Mhm.
So if you want to look through it, you can kind of see the holes
Okay.
that I put inside, and you want to, and then you want to add it, and then you can add it on the top, and look through the sniper. Hold it, mommy, hold it.
Oh, I can't. Wait.
Never mind.
Wait. Yeah, we can see it. Yeah.
And so that's mostly it. This is masterbuilderjs. Leave a like, and please subscribe and ring that bell if you want to.